I'm Daniel Fisher from Bawkins High School. I'm in the 12th grade and I'm in the welding program. I'm in an apprenticeship with Honda of America Manufacturing.
Hello, my name is Adam Fisher. I am a student at Upper Valley Career Center in Piqua. My home school is Bawkins. I am lucky enough to be in the apprenticeship program through my welding lab at the Anna engine plant, Honda. I am a high pressure die cast service. I get the opportunity to work on $1 million equipment and run overhead cranes and work here to build a career while I'm in school.
Hello, my name is Deb Kunkler. I've worked with Honda for 23 years now. I currently work in the plant management department organizing school functions for Honda to support. This is our very first year participating in the Upper Valley apprenticeship program, and it all started when Upper Valley attended our manufacturing day, which we had for the first time last year, and I met Mr. Trapp, and he invited me to a board meeting, and when I was sitting in the board meeting, I heard about the apprenticeship program. So I came back to Honda to see if we could get this to work in our environment, and through many hoops and understanding from Tony alone, we did manage to start this program, and we were fortunate enough to get Daniel and Adam here to work for us in our welding department, and it is going very well to date. So the hope is to continue this partnership. So it's not only good for Honda to get these students at such a young age, but it is very good for the students, in my opinion, because they get the experience of not only working here, but working with many different ages in many different situations and all hands-on activities. So it's almost a jump start to their career itself, as well as a jump start for us to start working with these students. So it's a win-win overall. So I look forward to continuing this in many years to come.
Two weeks at work, 2 weeks at school, works perfectly fine. When I'm here, I worry about what I have to do here and not at school. And when I'm at school, I worry about what I have to do at school and not here. It's not like I gotta worry about both at the same time. It just works very easily. Everything flows pretty well. So far, it's been pretty good. Most of my family have went to Upper Valley. My dad, my two older brothers went to Upper Valley. I have a couple uncles who went to Upper Valley, and they've all told me good things about it and how you get to learn a trade while you're still going to school. And they told me about the apprenticeship program, and that was one of the reasons I came, to hopefully be able to have this opportunity.
One of the main advantages for Honda of this apprenticeship program is that we can get 2 students and it equals 1 manpower for Honda. So it's not half a day and we got a gap there. This makes 1 full manpower for us with 2 students. That's our advantage that we have. Honda of America, Anna Engine Plant, is very happy to partner with Upper Valley Apprenticeship Program, where students are able to earn while they learn.